This video is going to show how to turn a PDF into a fillable assignment in Microsoft Teams. It's only 2 steps and it takes under a minute. The first step is to print the PDF to OneNote and save to your class notebook. The second step is to create a new assignment and add it from your class notebook, and you're done. As a bonus, in the middle, I'm going to show how to save the image as a background so students cannot delete or move it. Let's get started. Step 1 is to print the PDF to OneNote. See, choose OneNote, print. Down at the bottom, it launches OneNote for Windows 10, and I'm going to save it to my class notebook, content library, handouts. This is the bonus step. You can skip it if you want. You right-click on the image and set the picture as a background, and that way the students cannot change or accidentally delete it. Step 2 is to go to Microsoft Teams, go into your room, click on Assignments, click on Create, Assignment, and add your title. Click to add your resource. We put that in our class notebook, content library, handouts, and it will name it Printout. Attach. We're going to put it into the students' handouts. Into their homework. Done. And it's going to all students. You can add points if you want, but when you're ready, assign, and you're done. Thank you.